Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Hello friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on sexual and venereal diseases. The first book is Sexual Ills and Diseases, a popular manual based on the best homeopathic practice and textbooks by E.P. Anschutz. Edward Pollock Anschutz was born in the year 1846 and died in the year 1918. He was an American lay practitioner who received an honorary doctorate of medicine in Philadelphia and also an honorary degree from Herring Medical College in 1909. He was the editor of the Homeopathic Recorder and the Homeopathic Envoy. He was a colleague of Felix Boericke. He preferred using low potencies and was against vaccination. He was a devoted follower of Emanuel Swedenborg. This book, Sexual Ills and Diseases, a popular manual based on the best homeopathic practice and textbook, was published in 1910. This book contains 3 parts. Part 1, The Ailments, includes masturbation, its physical and mental effects, spermatorrhea, seminal emissions or wet dreams, onanism or conjugal onanism, nymphomania, satyriasis, impotency, nervous impotency, phimosis and paraphimosis, balanitis, gonorrhea, ills following gonorrhea, syphilis, pox, sundry hints, that is various hints. Part 2 includes Mathemedica and Part 3 includes Clinical Index. The next book is Sexual Health with Modern Homeopathic Treatment, Henry G. Henchett. Henry Granger Henchett was born in the year 1853 and died in the year 1918. This book was published in 1887. He was an American homeopathic physician. He was also a musician and educator. At age of 7, he played piano and at 16, he was a church organist. Recurrent attacks of blindness are said to have caused him to study medicine in order that he might understand and treat his own case. He then received the degree of MD from the New York Homeopathic College in 1884. Henry Henchett practiced for a time medicine but soon made music his chief preoccupation. Contents of the book are List of medicines, Chapter 1, Sexual Health of the Male, Chapter 2, Sexual Health of the Female, Chapter 3, Marriage, Chapter 4, The Medicines and Their Indication. Next book is Homeopathy in Venereal Diseases by Stephen Yeldham. Dr. Stephen Yeldham was a LRCP from Edinburgh and MRCS from England. He was a famous British homeopath. He was a consulting surgeon to the London Homeopathic Hospital. He was also a fellow and late president of the British Homeopathic Society. 4th edition of this book is edited with additions and an original chapter on spermatorrhea is included by Henry Wheeler, LRCP London and MRCS England. 4th edition was published in the year 1888. The contents are details about psychotic and syphilitic diseases have been well explained in this book with its homeopathic treatment. The next important book is The Venereal Diseases, Their Pathological Nature, Correct Diagnosis and Homeopathic Treatment by G. H. Jar, MD. Dr. George Henrik Gottlieb Jar was born in the year 1800 and died in the year 1875. He was a famous German homeopath. He was a disciple of our master Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Dr. Hahnemann judged that the Jar's utility would be much increased if he had a medical education. So he sent him to the University of Bonn, where Jar completed his medical studies and took his degree. Dr. Jar helped Dr. Hahnemann in his work of Mathemedica and chronic diseases. When Dr. Hahnemann left Cothen for Paris, his faithful disciple and useful assistant Dr. Jar also followed the master to Paris, where he continued his practice until on the outbreak of the late war of 1870. So as you know that Dr. Hahnemann died in the year 1843, but Dr. Jar continued his practice in Paris till 1870 until the war broke out. He was forced to quit Paris, where he practiced for 30 years. He then went to Belgium. He started practicing, but he was prohibited for practicing as he didn't have a Belgian diploma. He was deprived of his livelihood and his health deteriorated, causing him 2 large carbuncles. Finally, he died in 1875. He has written Symptomen Codex and many other works. This book, The Venereal Diseases, Their Pathological Nature, Correct Diagnosis and Homeopathic Treatment, was prepared in accordance with the author's own as well as the experience of other physicians and accompanied with critical discussions, was published by Jar in the year 1866. It was translated from German to English by Dr. Charles J. Hempel, MD. This translated edition includes numerous important additions from the works of other authors and from his own experiences. This book is divided into 4 divisions. First division has 4 chapters. Second, third and fourth division has 3 chapters each. Detailed information about venereal diseases is well explained in this book. This is a must-read book. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching the video.